Above each shirt button, there's a small hole where the stud will go. You're going to place the first stud at the second button from the top. To insert the stud, you push the small colored side through the hole until it appears next to the original button. Apply a stud to each of the buttonholes all the way down the shirt until you've applied all 5 studs, so that when you put your shirt on, you're going to use the studs to fasten it, not the buttons. We're the only company with 5 shirt studs instead of 4, so if you don't want to wear a cummerbund or a vest, you're not going to have that awkward studless button above your waistline. There are only 2 buttonholes that won't use a stud, the one at the collar and the one at the very bottom, which is tucked into your pants.